Let's go out into nature and look for signs of spring. Right. Yeah? Cool. Come hang out. So, I don't know where I am. I need to get out, and I looked up a place on the internet, saw a park. I thought I will go to that park. I will be in nature. I will be quiet. And everything's so muddy. Oh no. I don't know where the trail is. I don't know where I'm going. Is this a trail? Oh, this looks like a trail, but it's real steep. No, I'm not doing that. You ever lived at a place and, you know, you had your places that you would go to? You had your established escapes when you needed to get out. And then you move somewhere different, and you don't know where the places are. That's where I'm at right now. I guess I'll just walk on this path right next to this highway. Look at this amazing oak tree, though. It's another incredible one right here. Oak trees are one of my, maybe my favorite tree next to redwood trees. Redwood trees are my family. They are my sisters. Oh, let's go across the street. Going across the street. This is better. It's flat. It's not, the ground is relatively firm. You know, sometimes if you just go out to nature and just exist for a while, quite a bit of clarity. Been thinking a lot about my journey this year of getting back to myself, and the one thing that I keep, just the deepest hooks that I have into productivity, I'm really learning how to just exist right now. Exist without trying to change anything, without trying to feeling like you constantly need to improve or do better, or just this perpetual growth trap that so many people get caught up in, that I too was very much caught up in for a long time. But nature just is. Nature just exists, and it's perfect. It's beautiful. Every part of nature just does what it was made to do. Every part of nature just is fully itself, and by being so is in perfect harmony with every other part of nature. Maybe if we, who are also part of nature, could learn to just exist as we are, stop trying to be something or chase something or become something. If we could just live as exactly what we are, we would also just naturally find harmony with not only the world around us, but the people around us. There's a lot of people right now who are obsessed with and chasing power. They want to be the biggest, the smartest, have the most money, have the biggest house, the most power. Power is the most corrupting thing on earth. But it's not power itself, it's power over others. Because finding true power within yourself, that's fucking magical. But feeling the need to hold power over others, over institutions, over the earth, power over things, that's not power. That just stems from fear and inadequacy. But if we could just be who we are, that's freedom. I get real philosophical in nature. Can you tell? Anyway, I'm gonna hang out here for a while. If I find any wonderful signs of spring, I'll let you know. But I might end up just lying here on the dirt, feeling the pulse of Mother Earth, listening to the birds and the breeze. See you later. What's down here? Look it, 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 look it. I think this is a little dandelion baby. It's a little dandelion baby. Spring is here. Spring is here. Look, I know people don't consider it springtime yet. People consider spring to be like flowers everywhere and everything blooming. That is peak spring. But let us not forget that spring is a transitional season. Spring is not just warmth and flowers and sunshine. Spring begins from the winter. It is cold. It is cold. It is still dark. There is nothing growing yet, but that doesn't mean that it isn't spring yet. Flowers everywhere. That is the peak of spring. And by the end of spring, it's hot. Spring is a transitional season. It is what eases us from the winter to the summer. So don't forget that. If you see something growing, anything growing, it's spring. Check it out. Look right here. As I'm sitting here and I'm shuffling my cards, I was just sort of singing to myself. And well, I was just sort of singing to the earth. And I was feeling the sun on me, and I could feel it especially hitting my solar plexus. Solar plexus is right here above your belly button. I could feel that being activated so strongly. And in addition, I also was hearing a song in my head. The lyrics are, "My roots reach deeply, I am connected to the core of me." This is the card that came out. Look at that. Look at her. As I'm sitting here feeling the warmth of the sun on my body and feeling my core being activated.
Oh look! Here's another one. This is mallow. This is actually a very healthy, beneficial plant for burns and cuts and scrapes. Look at it in there! Come on, little mallow, you can do it!